What's up? Welcome back. Hope you guys doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how Taskkill command is going to work with your Windows. So why would you use this Taskkill? So sometimes when you're going to open CMD and you're going to type this task list, and it's going to show you all these apps that's running inside your PC. So simply, if you see any app that is suspicious in your PC and you didn't actually install that, so simply by using this command you can just stop or kill the process for that app. So let me show you how we're going to do it. So we're going to press Windows key and R. So here I'm going to type CMD. So here I'm going to use this task list so I can see all these apps which is running. So here I'm going to open some program like WordPad, and also I'm going to open this MS Paint. So I'm only want to close this WordPad, and also I'm going to close this Paint program with my Windows PC. So here I'm going to again use arrow keys to bring this task list. So when it's going to show you all this task, as you can see, it's going to show me this WordPad and MS Paint, and along with that I can see the process ID. So here I need to type this Taskkill, and we are going to put this /PID, which is process ID. So here I'm going to close this WordPad first. So I'm going to type this 8376, or I can just select this and press enter to make a copy. So here I'm going to just paste it, and here I'm going to just press enter. As you can see now, WordPad is closed here. So I want to close this MS Paint as well. So I know the process ID is this 11196. So again I'm going to type this Taskkill /PID, and here I'm going to type this 111 and it's 96. So we're going to hit enter. As you can see, the second app is also closed. So this is how we use this Taskkill with command prompt inside our Windows. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learn how to do it on your own Windows PC. So if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. So see you guys until next video.